Hi everyone, I'm Dinesh, co-founder of V-TAC, and it gives me immense pleasure in inviting you to our booth at the exciting Light and Building Frankfurt. This event has been really special for us because we've had the honor of connecting with most of our distributors at this event. So it's really a great time to reconnect with them. I really invite all of our close distributors to come and catch up. We have a lot of new and innovative products on display in our booth, and you will really find exciting opportunities to work along with us. So to all potential distributors, this is your invitation to come and join us at the booth to discuss how we can embark on this journey of distribution together. As V-TAC is growing more from lighting into the renewables industry, we would like to focus on product development and let our distributors grow in the distribution of the products.